Weebly tutorial for beginners. Create a free and professional website. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be showing you how you can get started with Weebly and create your own online website for free. So let's get into it. Now, Weebly also have premium plans for advanced features. However, you can create your own free website with a free SSL security certificate and 500 megabytes of storage with their platform. So to get started, simply click on Get Started on the left side of your screen. Just head on over to weebly.com. And once you click on Get Started, you will be signing up for Square. So you're just going to use your email address, first name, last name, all of the basic information that you would require for sign up. So I will just enter that and I'll get back to you guys in a second. So once you have input all of your basic information, they will ask you what kind of website are you looking to create. So if you want a website with an online store, or if you just want a basic website. So if you're looking to sell any kind of product, you're going to select I need a website with an online store. But if you just want to create something like a blog or a recipe book or anything of that sort, just a interface for your business, then you can just continue on with I just need a website. I'm going to continue with that, and then they will give you a bunch of different themes that you can pick from. So you have business themes, you have portfolio themes, you have personal themes, event themed websites, blogs coming soon, and other themes that you can pick from as well. You have quite a large selection that you can choose from, and they range from all kinds of different categories and different items that you could imagine. So let's say that I want to continue on with creating a simple website that is going to be a business portfolio. So it could be a photography portfolio, or it could be any kind of portfolio website. So for that, I am simply going to click on this template over here. I like this template, and I will click on Start Editing to begin editing this template and making it my own. Now, these templates are super easy to edit, and it's very easy to customize every template that you can see. So first off, you need to enter a domain name that is going to be associated with your website. This is usually going to be a reflection of the website name. So let's say I want this to be Jane's Portfolio. So I want it to be Jane's Photoshop maybe. So you can just search for that and choose that over here. Or you can choose a free Weebly domain, which is going to be janesphotoshop.weebly.com. So I'm just going to continue on with that. And now I will click on Done. Now this is my site over here, and I can begin customizing this template. The template editor, or the editor on Weebly's website editor, is very intuitive and simple. You can select on any item that you want to replace or change. So first off, I will change the basic logo over here and enter my name. So I'm just entering text logos. If you want a logo-based theme over here, you can just head on over to canva.com, search for a logo, and you can choose a bunch of different templates. You can use any kind of template that you want. So I'm gonna go on ahead and open this little logo, and I'll show you guys how to add an image logo onto your Weebly website. So we're just downloading this logo from over here. It's very simple to design on Canva, and you can really take any one of these templates over here and enter your own business name to create a logo. Once you've done that, you will simply click on logo on your Weebly website editor and click on upload from your computer. Go into your downloads and upload the logo that you have. And once you have done that, your logo will appear over here. Now, you can begin by adding new sections. You can customize it. You can also click on off to remove any of the logos, and you can click on edit to edit the crop of the logo. You can edit how you want the logo to appear. So I just want it to appear as the original with 0 rotation. And you can choose a custom crop, a square crop, and any of the other types of crop that you want. You can also choose to flip it, invert it, however you want. Then you also have filters you can add. You can adjust it. You can focus on a certain part of the logo as well. I'm just going to discard these changes, and I'm going to begin adding more elements to my website. Now below that, we have a simple little photo image. A lot of different photos are added. I think this fits perfectly with the aesthetic that I want, but if you want to replace this and add your own images, you can simply click on any image and click on edit image. And then you will have the option to edit the image that is existing, and if you want to replace it, click on replace image to replace the image. You also have options such as linking, so you can use images to link to pages. So for example, let's say I have a collection based on flowers, and I want people to be able to access that page as soon as they click on this image. So what I will do is first I will click on pages on the top over here. I will click on add page, and I will add a standard page. So I will name this Flowers Photoshop, and you can choose to add this in the navigation panel or remove it. So I want this to appear in the navigation. Then we will have our header, we have our visibility, SEO settings, all that stuff. But once you have done that, you're going to click on done. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into the build section, and I will open up my home page. And in my home page, the flower image that I showed you guys, so we're just going to head on over to that. So this flower image, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on link over here, and I will link this to a standard page, and I will select the Flowers Photoshop. And whenever someone clicks on this image, they will open the Flowers Photoshop page in a new window. So that is how simple and easy it is to link pages with images. Now, if you want to add more sections and customize it, so you simply have all of those options on the left side of your screen. Let's say I want to add a new section. I can just drag and drop this over here, and this will create a new section where I can choose what I want to add. If I want to add featured items, menu items, contact info, gallery info, so on and so forth. So you have a bunch of different options, and if you want to remove a section, you can simply click on it and do a double click, and these options will appear, and you're going to click on delete to delete any of the excess sections. You can also choose to create multiple different YouTube links. You can add YouTube videos, and you can also add contact forms, newsletter forms, RSVP, and all the basic features of any website. Now, with these pages, you also have integrations that you can add. You can click on apps on the top over here to add any kind of app integration that you might use if you're using MailChimp, or if you're using any kind of application that is very efficient, or that is something that you need to link to your website. You can do it from here. Once you have completed your design and you've completed all the elements you want, let's say I want to add a physical location, then I will simply go into the left side and I will click on maps over here. So I have maps, and I will drag and drop this to the bottom because I want to add that to the bottom. And then once there is that, I can just go on ahead and enter my address so people can find me over in my physical Photoshop. And once I've added all the info, I will simply click on publish on the top right over here. And now my website has been published. I will open up the website. This is what it is looking like currently. And if I click on this page over here, you can see it opens up this page in a new window. So that is how simple and easy it is to get started with Weebly. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family, and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything, and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.